electricity is an activity that we've got here at DiscoveryLab at Edinburgh Science Festival. And it's all about creating little electrical circuits using snap components. And it means that children and family groups can kind of engage with electricity and circuits together.
Hitachi Energy's global workforce comes together to find solutions to today's problems that we see and we face around the world. That's why we really like working together with Edinburgh Science, and it's allowing us to bridge the gap between what we can do right now, but also how we're going to develop the next generation of engineers and scientists.
By creating these really immersive experiences, allows children and young people to engage with STEM in a way that they've not maybe done before. And by doing that, we're helping to raise science capital across our communities. That means that maybe they'll go into science, technology, engineering or math.
Hitachi Energy and Edinburgh Science share the vision that innovation and technology is for everyone.
A huge thanks to Hitachi Energy for supporting DiscoveryLab at Edinburgh Science Festival 2025.